My dear friend, you are most welcome on my channel. That is my both channels. That is Kafir International Organization and the Vijay Destination. Today we will discuss about the terrorism of Islam. What is the problem of the Muslims with the non-Muslims? Actually, Islam is a parody of criminology, parody of rapist, parody of the robbers. It is a very cruel or crucial ideology against the non-Muslim throughout the world. And there is so many topics, so many points that all the Muslims are brainwashed due to the false ideology of the Allah or false ideology was of the Prophet Muhammad, which was created by so-called Muhammad bin Abdullah. He was a abundant hero of the Gunism of the Islam. He is the abundant hero of the criminals. He is the abundant hero of the rapist. He is the abundant hero of the robbers. Because the Paigambar was so treacherous person, he committed so heinous crime throughout his life that he cannot be pardoned by any non-Muslim. And if any non-Muslim will pardon that Prophet Muhammad, certainly this will be the suicidal effect to that non-Muslim. And the cause of the fight between the non-Muslims and the Muslims only the Islamic theology. Now we would we want to reflect the fight between the Jews and the Muslims for the Al-Aqsa or the Baitul Muqaddas for the Muslims. Actually, this was the Solomon temple, and this was the greatest lie of Prophet Muhammad, that he declared that I went to meet Allah and I offer the prayer in that Baitul Muqaddas Al-Aqsa, which is now situated in Jerusalem or the Jerusalem. Actually, there was no mosque there when the Muhammad went there, and he was feeling that I offered namaz